Hello students, today in this video I am going to teach to the students of SE. Here today I have taken one long questions from topic vector from group D. It is asked in question number 24 in SE examination. In question number 24, look at here question. Prove by vector method that the middle point of hypotenuse is equidistant from the vertices of right angle triangle. This theorem is given. The middle point of hypotenuse is in equal distance from vertices of triangle, right angle triangle, vertices of right angle triangle. Same question can be asked in this way too. In the given triangle XYZ, angle Y equal to 90 degree, means this angle Y in the figure is 90 degree, and AX is equal to AZ. AX is equal to AZ means A is the midpoint of XZ. Then prove that AX is equal to AZ is equal to AY. You have to prove here. Prove that AX is equal to AZ is equal to AY. AX is equal to AZ is equal to AY. You have to prove. Like this also the question can be asked. Both question is same question written in different way. Here figure is given. Here figure is not given. So the solution of this both question is only one. In only one way can be solved. So look at the figure here. Solution. XYZ is a right angle triangle. In the triangle XYZ, angle Y is equal to 90 degree and AX is equal to AZ. Given this in the figure, XYZ is a right angle triangle in which angle XYZ, this angle is 90 degree and AX is equal to AZ. It means A is the midpoint of hypotenuse XZ. Here in this very figure, XYZ is a right angle triangle, XZ is a hypotenuse and A is midpoint of XZ. A is midpoint of XZ. So this midpoint A is equidistant from XYZ. You have to prove. I mean AX is equal to AY is equal to AZ. You have to prove. So here AX is equal to AZ is given in question. AX is equal to AZ. Now we have to prove AX is equal to AY, either AZ is equal to AY. Then we can prove that AX is equal to AZ is equal to AY. So for this, here solution in the triangle XYZ, look here, angle Y is 90 degree and AX is equal to AZ is given. Now in triangle AYZ, in triangle AYZ, in triangle AYZ, YZ vector YZ is equal to, vector YZ is equal to, look at here, triangular law of vector addition we have studied. AYZ is a triangle. AYZ is a triangle. Vector YZ is equal to YA plus AZ. YA, vector YA plus vector AZ. This is triangular law of vector addition. Triangular law of vector addition. Triangular law of vector addition. YZ, vector YZ is equal to YA plus AZ. This is triangular law of vector addition. Now in triangle AXY, in triangle AXY, we take vector YX. Vector YX equal to, here to same triangular law of vector addition we have to use. Vector YX is equal to YA, vector YA plus vector AX. Region is same. Triangular law of vector addition. Or Y vector X is equal to YA, vector YA plus vector AX. In place of AX we can write ZA. Vector ZA, Y given AX is equal to AZ is given. Reason AX is equal to AZ. That's why in place of AX, vector AX, we can write ZA, vector ZA. AX equal to vector ZA given in question, because in question is given AX is equal to AZ. This and this is equal, means magnitude of vector is equal. Yeah, that's why vector AX in place we can write vector ZA. Now therefore vector YX equal to vector YA and plus ZA vector. Negative of vector ZA we can write minus AZ. In place of ZA we can write minus AZ. AZ is the negative vector of ZA. That's why in place of ZA we can write minus AZ. Now look at here. YZ is equal to YA plus AZ. YX is equal to YA minus AZ. These two equations we have calculated. And question has told angle Y is 90 degree. Angle Y is 90 degree. It means YX and YZ are perpendicular since angle Y is 90 degree. So YX, vector YX dot YZ is equal to 0. Perpendicular case. When vector A dot vector B is equal to 0, vector A and B are perpendicular, we have studied. Yeah. So as the vector YX and YZ are perpendicular, means vector YX dot vector YZ is equal to 0. So here now vector YZ dot vector YX here yz dot vector yx is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. We can write here x yx is perpendicular to yz. Yx is perpendicular to yz because y is perpendicular because angle y is equal to 90 degree. Since angle y is 90 degree, yx and yz are perpendicular. So in perpendicular case, vector yz dot vector yx is equal to 0, or vector yz, look here, vector yz is equal to what is given here, ya, vector ya plus vector az is given. So in place of yz we can write ya plus az vector ya plus az here dot yx, vector yx, look at here, vector yx value we have calculated ya minus az. So in place of vector yx we can write ya, vector ya minus az is equal to 0, or look at here, vector ya plus az into vector ya minus az means it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That's why a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. That's why we can write here vector ya of whole square minus vector az of whole square is equal to 0, or ya square minus az square is equal to 0. When vector ya of whole square, then that result is ya square, means vector symbol we have to remove, then ya square minus az square equal to 0, or ya square equal to minus z square this side take, then it will be equal to az square. Therefore ya is equal to az, ya is equal to az, I mean ya is equal to az, ya is equal to az, proved. Ya is equal to az, proved. And in question is given az is equal to ax. That's why we can write therefore here ya is equal to az is equal to ax. Ya is equal to az we proved here, and az is equal to ax is given in question. That's why we can write ya equal to az is equal to ax, proved. Like this we have to prove the question like this in the vector method, and this question is asked in group D for 5 marks, long questions from topic vector. One long questions from for 5 marks is surely asked in question number 24. That's why like this similar like important theorems from vector topic in previous video too I have given one. Today one important questions again I have uploaded here. Look at the video, try to learn well. Similar like video I will keep continue uploading so that it will help you to study and to grab good marks. Thank you.